What's going on, YouTube? RCLimit Films. Thanks, man, for checking out the videos. In this vlog, I'm gonna try and answer your question. XYZ is blinking. You said you rented auto home left of the build plate. Yeah, your gantry here should go over to the left side here, and then the build plate should go in the back. I always move my bed. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I move it when I'm getting prints off the bed. And I was trying to get some new filament in. Well, this ain't new. I've had it for a while, but this is PTEG. I'm gonna try and print those floorboards for the RC cars in. But if we take a look, my XYZ, my bed's like this. My XYZ has got the the little question marks there. I'll go over here to repair. We'll send it to auto home. See what it is, because you say yours shows -10 on the X, -15 on the Y, and Z is 0. Yeah, it should go home just like this, just like in the I think there's alunar. They have YouTube videos of their, because when I was building the printer, that's what I did. I followed their videos to try and build the printer. Now, yeah, mine shows X. I'm trying to look in the phone. X -10. Yeah, Y -10, and Z 0. So, I think you're all good, bro. Just go ahead, use your slicer. Make sure that you you got your bed level. You want your nozzle to be hold on, let me do this real quick. You can't move the bed or anything like this unless you disable your stepper motors. I'm going to pull the bed out. I can't even, like, you want it to be like 0.3 from the bed and the nozzle, and I got a bunch of filament that's coming out. But that's how far. I think you're good to go to get ready to print. Just make sure that you got your bed level. You know what I'm saying? Set your heat right for your bed. PLA around like 50, 55, 190 to 210 for the degrees for the PLA. But yeah, I got to get ready to start printing too. Like, share, subscribe. God bless. I hope this helped everything. But yeah, man, you're looking pretty good. We'll go ahead and send it back home just to check. Alright, man, I hope this helps out. Hope that answered your question. You should be all good. Everything should be gravy. You're ready to print.